something. Yeah, see all these little mining cars, guys? Wow. Look at them. They're like little short Barney Rubble, something out of Flintstones. Yeah, but that's how you get down into the mine, I guess. ICG, Illinois. Nighthawk. Alright, so now it is going to take us on a proper gravel road here, guys. So we're going to reduce speed. We're going to reduce gear. But yeah, it's actually taking us onto this 800th Avenue. Hopefully that's going to be paved. For a gravel road, pretty even actually. Pretty level. Oh, okay. Here. Yeah, Alright, so this, guys, is going to continue to be gravelly and pebbly. Wow. Wow, 4 miles with this guy. Until 800th Avenue. Wow. Unexpected turn of events here. Well, maybe it's gonna get better. Looks like we're heading into some silo town here. Maybe it's gonna get a little smoother. I doubt it, because this is all the country here now. Wow. I guess maybe the mining business or the farming business here isn't doing too well. They can't afford a good decent road. Well, maybe they're mining for gravel. Well, it looks like there's a stop sign and something. It looks like a paved road. Please. Or am I just seeing things? Like those things you see in the desert. They, what do you call them? When you start seeing things because of the heat, all of a sudden Jungle Harry is seeing asphalt. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Paved road ahead. Yes. Yes. How happy am I to see this stop sign? Oh, yes. So yeah, maybe from here on onwards, business is good. These farmers know how to make a buck. Oh. Yes, guys. Yes. Oh. Oh, my hands are like vibrating. Oh. Guys, after that ordeal, thinking of maybe stopping for a minute or two, or at least just coasting. Or at least coasting for a bit. Coasting. Yeah. Oh. Can't complain, guys. Can't complain. Say.